Hi, I'm Lauren. Welcome to Architectural Drawings for Beginners. Architectural drawings are actually a set of drawings with several sheets. This set has a cover sheet and 3 drawing sheets. Each sheet can have a lot of information that the builder needs to build the project, but for now we'll keep it simple. Architectural drawings are organized in a standard way, as the index shows. Let's take a step back and look at the parts of the shed again. The floor plan is the first sheet in this set. The next sheet shows the sides of the shed, and the last sheet is the top or the roof plan. Now we can see how the shed pages are organized with the shapes. Are you excited to start drawing? Me too. There's one more thing I need to show you before we start drawing, and we'll cover that in the next video about scale. Now would be a great time to subscribe so you can be notified when new videos come out. We are at the point where we can start doing things, and I don't want you to miss anything. Thanks a lot. I'll see you soon.